So in this section, we'll go ahead and put the final touch on our app and set up our database with our Express app. So how we do this first is we're going to edit our db.js file. And remember, this is the file that contains our login info for the database. And currently we have it for our localhost database, but we're now going to switch that to using our Amazon database. So here in our db.js file, we're first going to set up the right host. So we're not on localhost anymore, we're on the Amazon endpoint. And we can just go ahead and copy and paste this here. And then we need the user and the port. And also add in a command of SSL equals true. We need this here as well to communicate from our app to our database. And go ahead and enter in the other information. I'll see you on the other side. And after this, let's go ahead and access our database from our app. And again, this is something we've seen before. So it's going to be PSQL and then -d, dbname 5. Remember, this is not the database identifier in Amazon RDS. This is actually the name of the database you set before. And this may or may not be different than the identifier for Amazon RDS on the dashboard. Then we do -h, which is just the host name, and we can just copy and paste that. And -U is the username, and then -p is just the port. And then we enter in our password, and this is it. We're here in our database. And this is all we have to do to set up our database with our web server.